Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. Visiting a farm. Lily and Tom were brother and sister. One sunny Saturday, their parents took them to visit a farm. It was a real farm in the countryside with animals and fields and barns. Lily and Tom were very excited to see the farm. When they arrived at the farm, the first thing they saw were cows. Big brown and white cows were standing in a field, eating grass. "Look, cows!" Lily said happily. "Big cows," Tom pointed. "And look, sheep." In another field, fluffy white sheep were walking around and eating grass too. Some baby sheep, called lambs, were jumping and playing. A farmer greeted them at the farm entrance. The farmer was a kind man with a friendly smile. "Welcome to our farm," the farmer said. "I am Farmer Joe. Would you like to see the animals?" "Yes, please," Lily and Tom said together. They were eager to see all the farm animals. Farmer Joe took them to the barn first. In the barn there were pigs. Pink pigs were lying in straw, some were sleeping and some were eating. "Oink, oink," the pig said. "Pigs are so pink and round," Lily giggled. Tom thought the pigs were funny and a bit noisy. Next, Farmer Joe showed them chickens and ducks. Chickens were walking around in a coop, pecking at the ground. "Cluck, cluck," the chickens said. Ducks were swimming in a small pond, quacking loudly. "Quack, quack," the ducks said. Lily and Tom watched the chickens and ducks. They saw a chicken lay an egg in a nest. They saw a duck dive underwater to catch food. Farmer Joe then took them to see horses. Big, strong horses were standing in stables. They had shiny brown fur and long tails. "Neigh," the horses said gently. Farmer Joe let Lily and Tom pet a horse. The horse's fur was soft and warm. Lily gently stroked the horse's nose. Tom was a little bit shy at first, but then he also petted the horse. After seeing the animals in the barn and stables, Farmer Joe took them to the fields. He showed them fields where vegetables were growing. There were rows of green lettuce, red tomatoes, and yellow corn. "This is where we grow food," Farmer Joe explained. "We grow vegetables for people to eat." Lily and Tom saw farmers working in the fields, picking vegetables. They learned that farmers work hard to grow food for everyone. Farmer Joe also showed them a tractor. A tractor is a big farm machine used for working in the fields. Farmer Joe let Tom sit on the tractor seat. Tom pretended to drive the tractor, making engine noises. Vroom, vroom. Lily and Tom spent the whole morning exploring the farm. They saw many animals, learned about growing food, and enjoyed being outside in the countryside. At lunchtime, Farmer Joe invited them to have a picnic lunch. They sat down at a picnic table under a big tree near a field of sunflowers. Farmer Joe gave them fresh bread, cheese, and fruit from the farm. The food tasted very good and fresh. After lunch, Farmer Joe showed them how to milk a cow. He showed them how to sit on a small stool next to a cow and gently milk the cow into a bucket. Lily and Tom watched carefully as Farmer Joe milked the cow. Farmer Joe let Lily and Tom try to milk the cow too. It was a bit tricky at first, but they tried their best. They learned that milking cows is how farmers get milk to drink. In the afternoon, Lily and Tom helped Farmer Joe feed the animals. They helped to give hay to the horses and corn to the chickens. The animals were happy to get food. Lily and Tom felt good, helping to take care of the farm animals. As the day was ending, it was time for Lily and Tom to go home. They thanked Farmer Joe for showing them around the farm. They had a wonderful day at the farm. They learned a lot about farm animals and farming. They enjoyed being outside in nature and helping Farmer Joe. Lily and Tom were tired but happy after their day at the farm. They knew they would always remember their visit to Farmer Joe's farm. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.